Very satisfying stuff. We are in the orange carpet room. We are getting rid of the carpet today. Face mask on. We got a cool scraper, but wait till you see what's under this carpet. Yeah. And we've never seen padding like this before. This should be fun. Pretty much gonna cut the room into 2 sections, and we found a big scraper to scrape this stuff with. Carpet bedroom. The first thing to go was the closet, and then the next thing we took down was the stain covered tiled ceiling, and then the last thing we did was we tore off all the paneling, and now the last thing before drywall and remodel is this carpet here. Under the carpet we found more of this black padding. Original plan was to sit here and scrape. And although very satisfying, very time consuming, we found this thing and it makes easy work of the black padding. Although this job's pretty disgusting, for some reason we find it very satisfying. Having fun?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, babe. I'm really struggling.
Get in the stance. You gotta get down lower.
I think it's on past the torch. Your turn. Major progress. Living room is gutted and the metal's getting picked up today. The front bedroom, the tile are next, but the orange carpet is gone. hallway is gutted. In the green carpet bedroom, we are ready for drywall. In the back, it is ready to be rebuilt. It's been acting as a storage of our trim. We've completely exposed the middle wall, sold the kitchen cabinets and the refrigerator. We have the oven listed for sale. But the biggest progress of everything has been no more sagging floor.